Oh my gosh, you have to be kidding me. This is so nasty. Like, that's on my skin and it's all gathered up and made like almost like a spaghetti. Hey guys, it's Tina here. Welcome back to another episode of Tina Tries It. In today's episode, I'll be trying out an exfoliating mitt that claims to remove dead skin cells and impurities. Not to be mistaken with a oven mitt. Now, if you guys are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Tina. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications. That way you don't miss out on any future videos that I post. The product I'm trying out today is from a brand called Skin Silking. They've come out with a new innovative skin exfoliating mitt that can be used on the face and body. It has a special fabric that's made in Turkey by weaving plant and silk fibers together to create a unique cross-stitch weave. Now, on their website, there is a long list of skincare benefits, so I want to read a couple of them out for you guys. Reduces the appearance of large open pores, reduces the appearance of wrinkles, promotes circulation, reduces the appearance of chicken skin. Now, I actually have this chicken skin condition all over my neck, so I have all these little tiny bumps. I don't know, I feel like I've always had it. My younger brother has it too, so I've always been a little bit conscious of my neck. So that makes me really happy to know that this actually helps with my chicken skin. Now, it also says that when you use this on your face, you can use it to buff away like dead skin cells and dry chapped lips. Hooray for that, because you guys know the issue. I always have dry chapped lips. When you use this, you need to have your skin soften. And so that means like you have to jump in the shower, have like a 5 to 10 minute shower with really like warm to like maybe hot water to help soften up the dead skin cells on the surface. And then you go in with the skin mitt, make sure it's wet with warm water, and you use like back and forth, up and down motions to exfoliate your skin. So first off, I want to try this on my face. So I'm going to wash my face, kind of like soak it or steam it with a bit of warm water to help soften up the skin, and then go in with this bad boy and see the effects. Oh, before I do that, I do want to get my Microscope out. Where is it? It's been a while since I've played with my Microscope. I just want to have a quick look at my skin before and after exfoliating to see if it actually does anything on a microscopic level. I've just come back from Japan and it was really cold, and I have not exfoliated my face in like 2 weeks, and my skin has been really dry. So just a disclaimer, if you are eating, now is a good time to just pause. Alrighty, nice. This is the side of my nose. Actually, you can see some of those whiteheads like popping out. They need to go. You can see that my nose has like a little bit of broken capillaries, especially on the side. I have those little like blackheads or pore filaments, and then little tiny hairs everywhere. Oh gosh. Oh, you can really see that they want to come out. This is what my chin looks like. I usually have a little bit more congestion in my chin as well. So let's have a look at the skin there. Ew. Again, similar to the sides of my nose, you could see that the little pore filaments, they're like already like protruding out of the pore. I also have like some acne scarring on my back. So I'm gonna get Alfred to like show me what that looks like under the microscope. That's what it kind of looks like, these like brown bumps. They can get really big and more like cystic acne as well, so they're really bad. Show me what they look like, sir. Ooh. Okay, so that's one of my acne scars there. You can see that there's a bit of like dead skin on the top, and it's brown. This one's an older one. It has just more like dead skin, and the color is still brown, but it's a lighter brown. And is that like a little hair there? I'm so hairy.
Doesn't look very little.
My cheek? Ooh, what is that? Oh, I see it. What is that? Is that a blackhead?
Yeah, it's a pimple.
Oh my god, how come I have never noticed that one? Let me just quickly prep my skin, steam it, warm it up, and then I'll be right back. This is so hot. Woo. Oh. Okay, so I've warmed up my skin to help soften it, and I've wet my exfoliating mitt. And now I'm just gonna go in and gently exfoliate my face using like sweeping motions. I can definitely feel the rough cross-stitch weave on this. When you wet it, it does feel like the mitt actually stiffens up a lot more. And you can see I'm going a little bit red, so you don't want to like go over the areas too many times, especially if you have like more sensitive skin. So far I don't really see any dead skin forming. Oh, it feels really good on the lips. I really like it on my lips. It feels like a lot smoother and so much more effective than exfoliating your lip with like a toothbrush or the scrubs. I feel like this one actually really works. Oh, can you see? That's a bit of dead skin right there. Okay, so I'm done exfoliating my face. It actually feels so much smoother, and I don't know, I can feel like there's like little dead skin particles like still on my skin. I haven't washed my face yet, so maybe that's the reason why, but let's just go in quickly with my Microscope. I feel like it does look better. I feel like those little like filaments that were sticking out of my pores, most of them are like gone. They're not as protruding as before. Yeah, it's actually looking a lot better now. On the tip of my nose, I can still see that there's blackheads, so that hasn't really dislodged those. But it did work on the sides of my nose. Let me just check out my chin because that was quite gross too. Oh, you can actually see some of like the dead skin particles there. That explains the little sandy feeling around those areas. But yeah, like it actually does work. I only spent like 5 minutes, you know, working on those areas, not long at all. Now, one of the skincare benefits listed on the Skin Silken website is that it helps your skincare products penetrate better into your skin. And so for this part, I partnered up with Olay. I'll be applying their iconic Regenerous Whip Moisturizer. The Olay Regenerous Moisturizer has been around for years, and now they've come out with a new lightweight whip formula. This is what the texture looks like. It almost looks like whipped cream. It's very light and airy. And one of these jars are sold every 3 minutes in Australia. What I really like about this formula is that it's really quick absorbing and it doesn't leave your skin feeling sticky or tacky. It literally absorbs right in, and you can actually layer this stuff because it's so lightweight. So let me quickly show you. I have a new beauty tool. This is a skin detector, and it's actually going to detect the hydration levels on my skin. So right now I've just exfoliated. I'm going to test the hydration level. I'm just going to press it against my skin. So right now my skin is at 35.5% for moisture levels and 23.7% for oil levels. And I have a little sad face in the corner. That just means my skin can use a little bit more hydration. So let me just pop on a layer of the Olay Regenerous Whip Moisturizer. I'm just going to use about that much and then apply it all over my skin. And now this doesn't leave your skin feeling greasy, shiny. It kind of is more like mattifying almost, and it actually makes a really good makeup base or primer. Okay, so that's pretty much absorbed. I'm gonna go in again with my skin detector. Wow, so you can see that it's jumped up. My moisture level is at 54.4% and oil level, it's actually gone down 17.4%. And I have a little happy face now. If you feel like one layer isn't enough, you can actually go in and apply another layer, especially, you know, in these winter months where you need a little bit more hydration in your skin. Go ahead and apply another layer. So you can see it's gone up a little bit, 58.3% this time and 18.6% for oil. So you can see my skin's moisture levels have definitely jumped up after applying the moisturizer. So not only does the Olay Regenerous help to hydrate your skin, but it also contains powerful ingredients such as niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, and aminopeptides. These all work together to help improve your skin's texture by protecting and building up your skin cells whilst keeping it nourished and hydrated. Now, if you guys want to find out more information, I will leave the link in my description box below. Now I am ready to move on to exfoliating the rest of my body. Fingers crossed this works on my skin. Okay, so I've just finished my 5-10 minute hot shower. I've wet my mitt. And now we can start exfoliating. Now it's important that you leave your skin wet and you just go up and down instead of circular motions. So you can already see that my dead skin has started to roll up. Now when you see it like this, you don't want to wash the dead skin particles away because that's actually going to help more dead skin loosen up. You can see all that dead skin, and I haven't been rubbing it very hard either. I think it just goes to say how dry and in need my body is of a deep exfoliation. Oh my gosh. This actually feels really good. I know my skin is a little bit red, but honestly, it doesn't hurt at all. And I guess it really depends on how much pressure you put on your skin. Gotta work with my chicken skin. Apologies guys, I am a little bit hairy. I have not shaved my legs in probably 3 weeks. Oh, look at that. The ankles are where it's at. That is a big roll of dead skin. Alrighty guys, wasn't that so much fun? I was appalled at the amount of dead skin that came off my body, and there were some areas that definitely had more dead skin, especially like around my ankles and my foot. Like those areas, the dead skin just rolled up pretty much instantly. My body is feeling a lot smoother than before. However, I do see like it's kind of like more flaky, but I think that's just because, you know, I've been in Japan, it's like really cold there and I have not exfoliated my skin, and so I think that's just like the effects from that. But I can feel an improvement. It feels a lot smoother. One thing to note, that when I did rinse like my dead skin off, some parts kind of like felt a little bit more sensitive than others. Like it kind of stung a little bit. Maybe I kind of went a little bit too hard on those areas. So keep in mind, if you're going to use this, be mindful of the pressure that you use around certain areas. Here's some up close before and after shots. I don't think much has changed, especially after just one use. I feel like I can feel the effects more rather than kind of like see the difference. Now, I did save some of my dead skin on my exfoliating mitt so then I can have a look at it under my Microscope, because I am a disgusting creature like that. You know, I just wanted to see what my rolled up skin looks like under the microscope. OMG. That is feral. That is so nasty. And believe it or not guys, that's one of the smaller balls of dead skin. There's like other ones that are so much bigger. Like, oh my gosh, you have to be kidding me. This is this is so nasty. Like that's on my skin and it's all gathered up and made like almost like a spaghetti. So there you have it. That's my dead skin. I guess like some hair I can see and other debris and whatnot has been exfoliated off my body. There's even a question mark. I am truly an artist even with my dead skin. Okay, that's enough of looking at my dead, disgusting skin. I want to give you my first impressions of the Skin Silking Mitt. If you just want to like smooth out everything and then you just want to give your skin a quick pick-me-up, I think this is really great and effective. It's so easy to use. You use it right after you shower. Do it in the shower because it does get quite messy. I actually really loved using this on my lips the most. You know what, they should actually come out with like a mini one, like just a mini exfoliating mitt that you can put on your finger and just like almost like brush your lips. That would be really cool. For the price of this, $35, I think it's fairly affordable because you can use this over and over again. You just hand wash it and let it dry. Be sure not to put it in the washing machine though, because that will ruin the fibers. So in saying all that, I would rate this maybe like an 8 out of 10. I think it's like highly effective. You just want to make sure not to be too abrasive on sensitive areas. Anyways, that is it to this video. I want to give a big thank you to Olay for partnering up with me in this video and keeping my skin nice, plumped and nourished. Be sure to check out their Olay Regenerous Whip formula using the link in my description box. That's it from me. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I shall speak to you guys next time. Bye! I feel like we're monkeys. Babe, I'm not doing my hair today. What am I gonna do with all this dirt? Should I like collect it like people collect their like nails? I am an artist. This is like abstract art. We should frame this.
Sell it for $15,000.
Hey, well that guy sold that banana duct taped to the wall for 15 grand. Was it 15 grand or more?
Something like that.
Something ridiculous. Maybe someone will buy my dead skin.